it recording? Okay. Biceps femoris. Am I taking the right way? Yeah. Biceps femoris. I can't take. I'm gonna use my hands. Caudo femoralis. Gluteus maximus. Gluteus medius. Spinalis. Longissimus. Iliocostalis on the side. Coming up the back, we got the acromion trapezius. Right below is spinal trapezius. Going further into the neck, or up the neck, I'm sorry, is the clavotrapezius. And then deep to the neck will be the rhomboid capitis. Spread it a little bit. And this is the rhomboidus cervicis and thoracis. And right below the rhomboid, a little bit closer, is the splenius, and deeper is the subscapularis. Then we have supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres major and minor, spinal deltoid here, acromion deltoid here. Okay? Did you do this one? Yeah, I did that one. Okay, now time to flip. Sorry. Okay, lower leg, sartorius. Inner thigh, gracilis. Okay, then we have pectineus, which is deep right here. Then we have abductor longus, abductor femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and then lower leg, we have tibialis anterior here, gastrocnemius here, soleus or plantaris?
Afterwards we're going to say it.
Okay.
Soleus.
Soleus
Or this side.
or this side, and this is the soleus as well. Soleus. Okay. Moving up. Oh yeah, iliopulsus right here, this band. Okay. Coming up, we have rectus abdominis, external oblique, internal, this little flap is internal oblique, and then this is transverse abdominis, deeper. Okay. Xiphoid humerales, pec minor, pec major, pecto antebrachialis, sternomastoid, sternohyoid, and digastric. Then we have scalenes. Then we have serratus ventralis. The external intercostalis, and then you have internal intercostalis. We have epitrochlearis here, coracoid brachialis, biceps brachii, biceps brachialis, and biceps brachioradialis, I'm sorry. Brachioradialis. Okay. And triceps brachii. We have the lateral head, long head, and medial head, which is deeper. Did I do the leg?
Yeah, you did that.
Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. All right, and is that it?
The back.
Latissimus dorsi is right here. I did these.
Gluteus maximus?
I did that.
Yeah. What about the...
I think you did everything.
You did them all?
Yeah, I think I did everything.
You did all the triceps?
Did all the triceps.
I mean the trapezius?
Yeah, I did all the trapezius.
This
We did that.
bicep femoral.
All right. About 5 minutes.